Hey guys, AviddGeek here. Got another unboxing for you. I picked up an Apple wireless keyboard just yesterday, and I picked this up from my iPad too. I'm planning on using this for writing blogs, for just writing some papers and stuff like that on my iPad too. Kind of like a makeshift laptop in a sense. So I find it actually kind of difficult to type on the iPad too, on the keyboard itself. Let me just log in here real fast. So it's like logging for notes or anything else like that. I just kind of find it difficult to type in things here with the keypad that's on the screen itself with any relatively decent speed. I'm used to typing on the keyboard and I'm used to typing really fast, so that for me that really just slows things down. So that's why I picked up this Apple wireless keyboard. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and do a unboxing of this and I'll talk about it as we go through it. Also, got my handy dandy notes up here because I don't know too much about it. I just know that it's Bluetooth and it works with the iPad and various Apple devices, but I'll talk about that as we go through it and run down through the specs. So let's go ahead and bust this thing open. Here's my knife. Let's cut that there. Open this side. Should be the last cut I need. There we go. Okay, so according to the Apple website, this says it's the Apple wireless keyboard, the perfect companion piece. Sleek aluminum keyboard. So that's included actually with every iMac. So if you are planning to buy an iMac, don't buy this. You'll get it with the iMac. There's no point in purchasing, getting it twice. Well, I guess you could actually sell the other one. So this is supposed to be made out of aluminum. And here we go. Here's the unboxing. Oh. There it is. Alright, let me go ahead and pull that out. There's that little tab again. It's nice to know that they put that on every one of the products because I'm new to Apple, so it's just kind of nice to see that there's a consistency with that particular little, I guess, tab. Anyways, here it is. There's the keyboard. There's the opening for the batteries, I believe. There's the bottom with the rubberized grips. Actually here, here, and here. There's an Apple logo kind of imprinted on the keyboard itself, or indented. It's in white. And over here is actually the power button. But I'll get to this in a little bit. Let's see what's inside. So inside, pretty plain. All it is this Apple wireless keyboard instructions or product information. Let's see. There's quite a bit of paperwork though, just for a keyboard. Bluetooth certification for the model. Apple limited 1-year warranty, and I guess all the information located there. And this shows you how to use it. I guess how to pair it with the different Macs, using the keys, renaming your keyboard, and some other languages for the manual. Don't really need that. But anyways, so back to the keyboard. So this connects via Bluetooth. Works with the iPad, any generation iPad. It works with the iMacs, and it works with the Mac Minis. And it should work actually with your MacBook Pros, but I don't see the need to since you have the keyboard. It's a laptop anyways. But this connects via Bluetooth. So you just pair up the device together. So according to this, it uses also less battery power than the previous generation. This is the 2011 model, I believe. And the 2010 model actually used 3 AA batteries. Well, this actually uses only 2. And it's still supposed to provide the same amount of battery life, I believe, or actually a little bit more. With this, there's the keyboard functionality up here, special hotkeys. Don't really know if I use them, what they would be used for, since I don't have a Mac. I just have my iPad. I'll be eventually getting a Mac. I'm debating Mac Mini or iMac, or even maybe a MacBook Pro. But if I'm replacing this for my laptop, is there really a need for the MacBook Pro? That's what I'm thinking, the Mac Mini. But anyways, that's a totally different video. But if you have any suggestions as far as which one to get, or what are the pros and cons, especially for a Mac newbie such as myself, just go and leave it in the comments below. I'd appreciate that. And let me just take out the box here. It's kind of a basic unboxing. It's just a keyboard. But anyways, in case you were kind of wondering what it looks like, it has a good weight to it. Doesn't feel cheap. It feels really sturdy, so that should be due to the aluminum. The keys have kind of that nice keyboardy key sound. You can see there's some kind of indicator here, so I might actually have some power in there. There we go. So I push the power button and the light's actually green. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there's the light. But anyway, so that's it. That's the unboxing of the Apple wireless keyboard. As I use it and I get more familiar with the keyboard itself and the functions and how it works with the iPad, I'll be giving my review on how it's working with the iPad, and depending on what I get, if it's an iMac or iMac Mini, how it works with that, and compare it to my traditional keyboard that I have here. I don't know if you can see that, a traditional keyboard for the PC. So look forward to that. Alright, well thanks guys, thanks for watching this unboxing of the Apple wireless keyboard, 2011 model, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks, see you later.